Choosing the right products in crypto nowadays is definitely not easy. So in this video, we put products in a list after researching them and after checking the quality of products and also after different experience with all of the products. So let's get started with the topic. A quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Alright, now let's get right into this video, and before we start I do want to say that all the links you will need for all the wallets we'll talk about and everything we'll talk about in this video will be down in the description. Alright, so before we start with our premium list of the best solutions and products out there in terms of a hardware wallet and storing your crypto, first we need to talk a little bit and give a brief introduction on hardware wallets themselves. So as described by crypto.com, a hardware wallet is a type of cold wallets. First of all, you have two types. You have software-based hot wallets, which you can easily access, something like MetaMask, and you have hardware wallets, or cold wallets is another name, and they're stored way more secure and also a little bit more difficult to reach, but it's getting better and better. And basically how it works is that it stores your private keys in an external, something like this, in a USB stick, physical device, and you can buy this device, you can put your private key on that, and that way you can store your crypto and even NFTs nowadays on your hardware wallet. But now let's talk about some of those amazing hardware wallets out there right now. So the first hardware wallet we'll talk about is the Ledger Nano S, which is one of the wallets in the entire portfolio of the Ledger wallets. As you can see on their website right here, but again, all the links will be down in the description as well. They have multiple products going from the Ledger Stacks to the Ledger Nano X, all the way down to the Ledger Nano S, which we'll also talk a little bit about in this video, but they also have different apps and services. It's an amazing company and platform in the crypto space. The Ledger Nano S itself is a secure Bitcoin hardware wallet, and it connects to any computer through USB, and it embeds a built-in OLED display to double check and confirm each transaction with a single tap of buttons. Apart from that, this wallet gives you full control of your Bitcoins. They're secure, no third party can freeze or lose your funds, and the only thing is that you are responsible for securing and backing up your wallet, but it's all in your hands. So you really have the power over your Bitcoin, your crypto, and therefore I think it's a great solution. Right here you can see the Ledger Nano S Plus, which is even better than the Nano S itself. This is actually the iconic Ledger Nano S, but now it's also DeFi and NFT friendly, like you can see down here as well. You have over 5,000 coins available for it. It is very secure. It's for Android, macOS and Windows, and it's now also supporting NFTs. So the next hardware wallet we'll talk about is one of the hardware wallets built by SecuX. SecuX is another amazing company in the hardware wallet space, and they have launched some revolutionary products as well. As you can see on their website, for example, they have different products. Some products are also specifically like the Nifty, built for NFTs, but they also have the Xseed product. I would definitely recommend you to check this out. And the Xseed is actually another way of actually safely storing your private key, for example. But the product we'll talk about is the SecuX V20. So here on the screen you can see some features and some properties of the SecuX V20. It's a hardware wallet again that has a complete suite of security features in place, from a protected production chain, which is actually very important with hardware wallets, to tamper resistant packaging. Again, that's also important that nobody can tamper with the packaging while it's getting to your house, but it also has a military grade certified secure element for keeping your assets safe and unassailable. Apart from that, you can also have up to 500 accounts. It has a long battery life, so it's actually an amazing product. It has a lot of great features. I cannot cover them all in this short video and short review of the SecuX V20, but definitely check that out. Again, all the links will be down in the description. And the last tool we'll talk about is Casematics. Casematics is actually a company that makes cases for multiple things, ranging from simple laptops to watches, but also for hardware wallets. So right now on the screen, for example, you can see one of those cases, which will actually allow you to protect your hardware wallet against all things that can harm it. So what it essentially is, it's a rugged, airtight, waterproof travel case for crypto wallets, and it's compatible with two Ledger Nano S wallets and cables with customizable foam to make separate compartments. Apart from that, you also have a hard shell exterior, and this exterior of the impact resistant hardware wallet holder is made of dense blow plastic, and it has a heavy closing latch, a waterproof O-ring lining and air pressurization seal to keep it waterproof and airtight. So on their website you can find out more about this case to actually protect your hardware wallets while traveling, but you can also protect it at home, of course. As you can see, this is what it looks like. You can press the Ledger Nano S's into the foam, and that way it is protected both by the foam and by the exterior shell. Alright, so with that we've reached the end of this video. We took a look at two different hardware wallets and an amazing travel secured case to protect those hardware wallets. Now, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments with questions I might have missed, and subscribe to our channel.